Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where wheels meet wonder. And today, we're diving into one of the most unique and creative motorhome builds of the year. The 2026 School Bus Home. Yes, you heard that right. A classic school bus transformed into a luxury tiny home on wheels. Let's explore how this former yellow ride became a full-time rolling residence. First impressions? The outside still carries that nostalgic school bus silhouette, but with a serious twist. The bright yellow paint has been replaced by a sleek matte black and silver wrap, giving it a stealthy, modern look. Custom roof racks, solar panels, and a rooftop deck make it obvious. This isn't your average ride to school. As we step inside, you're immediately welcomed by a cozy yet spacious interior that rivals high-end RVs. The 2026 School Bus Home boasts a full open-plan living space, complete with hardwood flooring, built-in couches with storage underneath, and large panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. The insulation is top-notch, meaning you're set for any season, whether it's the Arizona, desert, or the snowy hills of Colorado. The kitchen is a game-changer. We're talking a full-size farmhouse sink, a 2-burner induction cooktop, butcher block countertops, and even a compact fridge-freezer combo. There's overhead cabinetry and deep drawers everywhere, so storage is never a concern. And the custom-tiled backsplash? That just screams attention to detail. Moving toward the rear, the bus features a surprisingly roomy bathroom with a composting toilet, a standing shower with subway tile walls, and a tiny but efficient sink setup. The ventilation fan keeps it fresh, and the skylight brings in a soft, natural glow. Now let's talk about the sleeping quarters. At the back, there's a full queen-size bed, elevated on a platform with drawers and a hidden safe underneath. Ambient lighting, USB charging ports, and blackout curtains make it the perfect cozy retreat after a day on the road. Tech-wise, this bus doesn't hold back. It includes a solar power system with lithium-ion batteries, a 2000-watt inverter, and shore power hookups. Everything runs smoothly off-grid, from the LED lights to the electric heater. Plus, there's a full Wi-Fi booster system and even a smart control panel that manages the water tank, battery levels, and lighting, all in one place. Driving the 2026 School Bus Home is surprisingly smooth. It's based on the Freightliner chassis, equipped with a Cummins diesel engine and an automatic transmission. The upgraded suspension system and rear-view camera setup make maneuvering this beast a breeze, even for new nomads. So, is the 2026 School Bus Home just a cool gimmick or a true road warrior? Honestly, it's both. It blends nostalgia, function, and creativity in a way that few motorhomes can. Whether you're a full-time traveler or a weekend wanderer, this bus offers something unique. A home with a story, character, and the power to go wherever the road leads. That's it for today's review on Honest Auto Wheels. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more epic conversions and motorhome reviews, and drop a comment below. Would you live in a school bus home? Until next time, keep rolling and stay curious.